Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the headset and moving to a clean, flat surface. This prevents accidental inputs and lost parts. Once done, remove the strap and any grip cover so you can access the battery compartment. You then use a small Phillips or Torx screwdriver, match the head to screws, to loosen external screws. Keep them organized in a container so none roll away. Make sure to handle the controller gently. The plastic clips are fragile and will snap if forced. You remove the battery door and pull out the old AA cells, noting their orientation for correct replacement. If the battery compartment is sealed, unscrew the indicated screws and use a plastic pry tool to separate the halves. Work around the seam to avoid cracking clips. Once open, inspect the metal contacts. Corrosion or leakage can impede power transfer, so clean lightly with 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab if you see residue. Make sure all clips align before reassembly. You place the new AA batteries into the compartment, matching the plus and minus markings exactly. Using high-quality alkaline or recommended rechargeables ensures stable runtime. Then realign the shell halves and press clips together, reinstalling screws until snug. Do not over-torque, which can strip threads. Once assembled, power on and repair the controller. Test buttons, joystick, and haptics. If the controller fails to respond, remove and reseat batteries. Check contact cleanliness and try a factory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.